Hello, Blue Jays. It's Miss Laird, your principal, and I'm coming to you with some exciting news. Every month, we vote on an employee of the month, 2 employees of the month, and a student of the month. And so I'm here to announce those winners for the month of October. So here are our October employee and student of the month. Our employees of the month, our first one is Miss De Leon. Miss De Leon is one of our fabulous teachers. She's been teaching virtually. Next week, she'll be teaching face-to-face for our in-person learners. And Miss De Leon is one of our ECSE teachers. She teaches special needs students and gen ed students. And she does a phenomenal job. Our next employee of the month is Miss Sochil. Miss Sochil is one of our paraprofessionals, and she also works in the ECSE classes with gen ed and special ed students. And she has a very hard job, and she is a very hard worker. Congratulations, Miss Sochil. All right, and for our student of the month for October, this young man is a very hard worker. His teacher nominated him. He is learning virtually, and she said he has 100% attendance. He is always online with his materials prepared and ready to go. He's a very eager learner, and he's done a great job. So our student of the month is Matthew Contreras. Congratulations, Matthew. All right, Matthew gets to have a special luncheon with the other students of the month from the other campuses, as well as get recognized in our school board meeting. So congratulations, Matthew. Keep up the great work, and we will come back in November with more employee and another student of the month. So it could always be you. So keep doing a great job, Blue Jays.